That's so cool. Let me look at some other things here. Let's see here. We talked about your website. You talked about you don't really do astrology though. That's not your thing.
I'm not into astrology now.
Is it not real? Is it because it's not real or what?
Well, I won't say it's not. It's considered soft science. Astronomy, yeah, not astrology, because astrology is based on a lot of prediction. My area is like linguistics. I like linguistics because if you study humor or comedy, comedy is really predicated. The fundamental nature of comedy is predicated on linguistics, language. There are a lot of ambiguity, a lot of play on words, a lot of surrealism, a lot of absurdity. So humor is predicated on linguistics. So linguistics is one of my primary infatuation because it really helps you unravel a lot of different stuff.
You know what I like? You know what I like? Linguistics and eggs.
Linguistic? What does that? What the hell does that mean?
No, because it's a play on words. You know, linguiça.
Linguiça.
You get sometimes you have linguiça and eggs and sausage and patties.
Yeah.
But I was just saying, you know, linguistics sounds a lot like linguiça.
I love the way that sounds. Jimmy Falcon loved linguistics.